Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, fellow humans. Today we are going to explore Al-Qayyum. Allah is the self-existing one upon whom the existence of all else depends. Al-Qayyum. Many of the wise agree that Al-Hayyu Al-Qayyum, the ever-living, the self-existing, is the greatest name, which has the power, when recited by those upon whom it is manifested, even to raise the dead. The Messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, our beloved Master, said that Jesus recited these names when he revived the dead. When Moses split the Red Sea in two, his people asked him how he prayed to his Lord. He said that he recited Al-Hayyu Al-Qayyum. Hazrat Ali relates that during the Battle of Badr, when he checked on the Messenger of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he would find him saying and begging, Allahu Hayy, Allahu Qayyum, Ya Hayyu, Ya Qayyum, for the victory which Allah accorded to him. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is self-existing. His existence depends upon nothing other than himself and is exalted over all other existences. He is the one who gives that which is necessary for the existence of everything. He has created the causes for the existence of each thing until its destined time. All exists because of him. If people can see how our being, our life, our body are dependent upon our soul, we may understand a little the dependence of all that exists upon the ever self-existent one. The soul governs the whole of our being. When the soul leaves the body, although the body appears to be the same, it does not breathe, it does not see, it does not hear, it does not move, and eventually it disintegrates, because what governed it and held it together was the soul which is gone. It is the soul which is responsible for life, existence, and order and harmony within the whole being. The being, its wisdom, its beauty, its strength, its very life, down to the last cell, the last atom, is in need of the soul at every moment. When the soul leaves, all these qualities disappear. In this way, every atom of the created universe is in need at every moment of the divine favor, the manifestation of Al-Qayyum. This divine grace is a special will of Allah that is present always in different forms and strengths, in accordance with the need of everything in the universe, for the perpetuation and of Al-Qayyum alone grants. It is with this divine will that every atom obtains the cause for the satisfaction of its needs. If Allah cut off that favor for a split second, nothing would be left standing. O heedless one, Allah, who has infinite numbers of good servants and the whole creation to take care of, nevertheless cares for you and maintains you as if you were His only creation. Although you have no one else, but He keeps you, who keeps you. You behave as if you do not need Him and have other protectors who could care for you. Worse still, you behave as if you are self-sufficient, self-existent. How great is Allah's favor, how infinite is His mercy, and how deep is your heedlessness. Who is Abdul Qayyum? Abdul Qayyum is the one who witnesses that all exists because of Allah and becomes an instrument of the manifestation of Al-Qayyum by meeting the needs of others in Allah's name. If someone who spends a lot of his valuable time sleeping should recite before he is about to fall asleep, Alif Lam Mim, Allahu la ilaha illa huwa al-hayyul qayyum, Alif Lam Mim, Allah, there is no God but He, the living, the self-existing. 225 times he may stop sleeping his life away. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.